In this video, I'm going to show you how to make short form content just like this.
Looking to boost your brain health naturally? Today, we're sharing the ultimate guide to help.
However, not only will we be making shorts just like that, but we'll also be basically cheating by using AI softwares to make it much more easier and much more efficient. Welcome to TubeMagic. I'm your host, Dennis. Let's begin. First, we'll start on this YouTube AI software called TubeMagic that's by YouTube creators for YouTube creators. But on the TubeMagic's main tool page, you're going to want to go up to this top left item right here called Video Ideas, and you're going to press on that. Now you're going to switch over to YouTube. And then on YouTube, we're going to look for popular channels in our niche that do YouTube Shorts. So for this example, our niche is going to be health and wellness. There we go. And now we're just going to press on Shorts right here. And then we're going to scroll down to a channel like this, Fresh Fuel Fusion. And then we're going to press on the channel. Now this channel has gotten large amounts of views in this niche. So I'm just going to copy their name right here. And you guys can use a much bigger channel than this, but just for this example, I'm using one of the first channels I see. So I'm just going to copy Fresh Fuel Fusion 757. And then back on TubeMagic, I'm gonna put the name of this channel into this bar right here and hit on generate. Now what it's going to do is it's going to analyze their videos and come up with viral worthy video ideas for my YouTube Shorts. Just like that. Supercharge your brain, the ultimate guide to mental clarity. And then I can generate another one. And you're gonna wanna keep on doing this until you create maybe 10 to 15 video ideas that you can put into a list. The reason why I say 10 to 15 is because that's probably enough for a whole month of viral worthy YouTube Shorts. But you can go the extra step and post a YouTube short a day, which, you can just make a list of 30. Once I've made a good amount of video ideas for my list, you can start making scripts of these. And I'm just gonna copy this one right here, for example. And then going into the AI tools again, going down to video scripts, you're just going to paste the name of your video right here and then add some context. So in this example, I'm gonna write, make this less than 60 seconds and give it a really good hook to start the video. Then I'm going to go over here and press on short for the script so it makes it as a short. Then I just hit on generate. Now TubeMagic is going to analyze viral shorts, viral YouTube videos, and see how they write their scripts, and it's going to use AI to actually make that for yours. So here you go. Hey there, looking to boost your brain health naturally? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're sharing the ultimate guide to help you unlock your brain's full potential. Let's dive in. So one thing you're gonna wanna check is to make sure that this script is actually under 1 minute long. And you can do this by using online word counters. I'm gonna paste my script right here into words to time converter, and I'm just gonna start removing any filler. Like for example, hey there, we don't need to start the video out there. Just looking to boost your brain's health naturally. Today, we are gonna start sharing the ultimate guide to help you unlock your brain's full potential. And let's dive in. So I'm just removing any filler content to make this as quick as possible. And I can just move right here, paragraph 2, quick transition, and just remove this part. So there we go, I just cleaned up my script, and at the very end, I usually like to add a subscribe for more, just so that people watching the short will actually remember to subscribe. Because sometimes when they don't hear that word subscribe, they're not actually thinking about it. When you say subscribe for more or subscribe for more health and wellness, etc., then they start to actually think, oh, I can subscribe to watch more shorts like this. So as you can see, that's 54 seconds of talking time, which for YouTube Shorts, you want under a minute. So that's perfect, and you're just gonna wanna do that for all 10 to 15 video ideas that you generated earlier on TubeMagic. And to put this into perspective, usually scripting 10 to 15 YouTube Shorts like this could take you 1 to 2 days, but now you can just do this in 1 or 2 hours. So by using AI softwares, you've already saved yourself so much time, but we haven't even gotten into the better parts of this. So stay until the end of the video to get the most amount of value, especially when you get to the part where we're gonna upload it, because we're gonna use AI softwares at that point too. But as for right now, I'm just gonna copy my entire script and we're gonna go into our next AI software. Using a website called Pictory, you're gonna wanna press on script to video right here, and then you're just gonna wanna paste in your script. Now, you're just gonna wanna go through and start making line breaks within the script just like this. So as you can see, I made a bunch of line breaks because each of these are gonna represent a scene. Now up here on scene settings, you're gonna wanna make sure that this is on line breaks and not on sentence breaks. I think it usually sets it as sentence breaks, but make sure it's on line breaks right here, and then you can just press on proceed. Now what's happening is Pictory is actually making you an entire video based entirely on your script that you've just inserted. Basically just generating your entire video all using AI. Now it's completely generating me my entire video, and the first thing I'm gonna wanna do is go over to here and press on portrait for the TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts format. Once that's done, I'm gonna grab this text right here and drag it right up to the middle. And then I'm gonna wanna hit apply to all. The reason for this is so that the text is actually right in the middle of the screen, so there's no bottom text or top text covering it when people are looking on YouTube Shorts. Now you can just stylize this text as much as you want, but right now I'm gonna be looking at these scenes right here. Right here it says looking to boost your brain health naturally, and it's a video of tea. But I wanna replace this, so I'm gonna go over to visuals, and looking through Pictori's library of stock video, I'm just gonna type right in here, brain. And I like this one right here, so I'm just gonna press on that one. And then I can just adjust it right here to the video. And I can just keep going through the scenes and making sure that they're correct. Now, once I've quickly went through and made sure the scenes are correct, I'm gonna go over to here on audio. Now, on audio, you can look through Pictori's library of music and you can just pick one, or you can actually upload one yourself. For me, what I generally recommend is going on YouTube and finding non-copyright music that you like, downloading a bunch of them and keeping a file of them for you to put in these videos. But either choice is okay for your YouTube short. But after we're finished with that, we're gonna go over to here on voiceover. Now, there is a library of text-to-speech voices for you guys to use on your YouTube short that's gonna dub over your script. So just go through and listen to them, and once you have found one that you like, you can just hover over to apply and hit on that, and it's going to take a couple of minutes to dub over your script with the text-to-speech. Once that is applied, you can just finish your video by going over to download and downloading it right here. Now that's it for generating the video with AI. Now we're gonna go into actually uploading the video using AI optimization. Do not miss that. That is probably the most important part of this entire method. But as for Pictori, you can generate 10 to 15 AI videos for your YouTube shorts just like this within a couple hours. Which for 10 to 15 videos without AI, that usually would take 2 to 3 days to just sit there and edit all these videos, plus doing the voiceover, plus putting in the music all by yourself. So right off the bat, you can make 10 to 15 YouTube shorts in 5-6 hours like that. But if you guys want to potentially 10x your growth on YouTube, then check out the free live training that we at TubeMagic are hosting in the description below. There's only a few spots available and they run out quick, and you guys can secure your seat right now by pressing on the description below and just putting in your name and email. Like I said, the training is completely free to watch. We're not asking anything from you guys. You guys can just attend from the link below. Now back on YouTube, you're gonna wanna upload your short, and then you don't need to fill out this, you don't need to fill out this. All you have to do is just make sure it's not for kids, go over to visibility and set it as unlisted and then save it. You're gonna wanna wait for this video to be finished processing, and then you're gonna wanna press on these 3 dots right here for options and press on get shareable link. Now back on TubeMagic's main tool page, you're gonna wanna scroll down to the Warp Upload Optimizer. And right here, you're just gonna wanna paste the link and then hit generate. And with AI machine learning, it's going to optimize your video as well to make it viral worthy, just like those 10, 30, 50 million view videos. So as you can see, in just seconds, TubeMagic has generated me a title, description, and tags completely for my YouTube short. You can put successful optimization on 10 to 15 YouTube shorts within a few minutes using these tools. And most people don't even tag their YouTube shorts because it takes too much time to do, usually 20 to 30 minutes. If you're posting 1, 2, 3 YouTube shorts a day, you can save hours of your time by just using this tool. All you have to do is just copy the title, description, and tags, and then just put them into your video, and then you can switch it to public. That is how you make YouTube shorts, all using AI softwares. If you guys want to attend our free training at TubeMagic, the link is below. And if you guys want to get TubeMagic today, you can use the code MAGIC30 for 30% off your first month of TubeMagic. Now, if by chance you want to learn how to make a successful gaming channel today in 2024, then press on this video right here. Because there's so many new things that you need to implement into your gaming channel now in 2024, and you can just check that out by watching the video right here. I'm Dennis from TubeMagic. I hope you guys got value from this video. If you want to learn how to supercharge your YouTube channel in this day and age, then subscribe to TubeMagic for more helpful videos every week.